Hey guys, today I'm unboxing a pen tablet that is used for online teaching by using a laptop. Okay, so today I'm unboxing a pen tablet. The name of the company is Huion H950p Inspiroi, and it is 8.7 inch into 5.4 inch. Okay, so let's get inside this model here. Let's see what is there in the packing. So the packing is nice here, everything seems to be all right. I have already cut the places here, so already I have cut the places. Now let's get inside. Wow, so guys, you are able to see, so let me move in this way. Okay, so this is the tablet which I have ordered in the Flipkart, and I have got it well within the time, 2 days well before the expected date of delivery. So this is a Inspiroi H950p and Huion. So the manufacturer is Huion here, and you're just able to see here. So this has come from country of manufacture is China, and it has come from Faridabad. Okay, so let's get into the things. So there's a dimension, active area, and all of those things. Let's not waste our time here, so let's get into inside. So let's get into inside here. Okay, fine. So I'm very excited to see what all components are present as per the specifications. So let me open here. Oh my god, so this is so beautiful here. So let me switch here in this way so that everything is visible to you guys. Okay, so fine. So this is the bill. Okay, so this is the bill, and we will come to know the seller and buyer details here. Sold by Microvolt Infosol, Old Faridabad, Haryana. So the total gross amount is 4750. I have got this tab for 4750. I have been looking for a tab for my YouTube videos. So I was just confused a bit with Wacom and Huion, but I found that Huion types were relatively cheaper when compared to Wacom, and I was in a dilemma between the Wacom and Huion. So after doing research for many days, I just ordered the Huion, and I think let's get into this. So this is a quick start guide. I think it's a quick guide to start here. So this is a quick startup guide that they have provided, and this is a warranty card. I think this is a warranty card. So you have to see here, you can see this is a warranty card here, warranty card. And now I'm just getting into the main part of this unboxing, that is the pen tablet. So guys, so the pen tablet, so it's really amazing. The size seems to be exactly matching, and I was in a confusion to go for a higher size of 10 inch into 5 inch or 8 point. This is 8.7, so this is 8.7 and 5.4 inch. So it's so beautiful, and the built-in is so nice here. So let me see the thickness. So it's so light in weight. So it's so light in weight here. You're able to see that the thickness is also, it's very slim here. It's slim, little bit fragile. You should be handling it very carefully. And there's a rubber matte finish here. Backside there's a rubber matte finish, so the scratches won't be affecting the surface here. And you'll be able to see the 4 rubber stands that absorbs the shock, and that will provide a grip to you when you keep it on the laptop or on the writing table, anywhere you want. And you have 8 keys here. Okay, you have 8 keys, and there's a small LED button here. There's a small LED button that would allow you, that would give you an indication when you connect it with the laptop. So it's beautiful, it's slim, and very nice. Okay, the packing seems to be very nice, and there are no scratches on the surface as of now here. It's a completely new product. When I ordered this product, after putting it into my basket, then 1 or 2 days after just opening that bag, means while doing the research, it was out of stock. But some days it again came back to the stock, and I was thinking whether that this product is replaced by someone else. So I'm a little bit lucky that this product is genuine, and there's no scratches, and everything seems to be all right here. So let's get into the main part. Let's see other components, what all they have given us. So this is a manual here. It is written in some languages, okay, different languages. And now this is a guide here, quick start guide. So that allows you to install the things and to know completely, to know the product, what it is and how we have to use it. All those things have been just written here. So nice here. Okay, so now let me keep this here itself. And now the main part of the pen tablet is the pen itself. Okay, the stylus, what we call. It's very beautiful, and it is little bit thicker here. It's little bit thicker here. When you just slide your fingers from the top to bottom, you feel that thickness is going on increasing here. So you have good grip, and actually the pen is very light. It's a feather like thing, and it's like a normal pen, like a normal ball pen which you hold. Okay, so it's not metallic here. This is not metallic. This is a fiber, I think, plastic or fiber here, and this you are having a rubber grip here. Surrounding the black portion is completely rubber grip, and you'll be seeing that there is a nib here. Okay, the nib is slightly you can say it's not fully intact to the pen. It is slightly movable, so that whenever you just slide over the things, you will get adjusted. Okay, so it's beautiful. And we have some 2 buttons here. There's a small bump over here. The one button is little bit differentiated by a bump here. I would like to show you in this way, so you can see it in the, this is a small bump here. You will be able to see here. And now this is a right click of the mouse. I think since I have read the manual, I am able to explain you in prior, before installing in the PC or laptop, that there is a bump here. And I think this is for the right click of the mouse, and you can even adjust the keys in the software that has been you should download from the Huion website. Okay, from there, if you enter the model number, then you will be able to download a driver. Okay, the driver will be essential to recognize the tablet in your PC, and this will help you to navigate this. When you do that and you install that in your PC, then this stylus and the pen tablet acts as a mouse. Okay, so this type of instruments are very helpful for a graphic designer, as well as for the teachers who are taking online classes. So I just bought this for taking my own notes, and also for my YouTube videos, which I found it difficult while doing it manually. So now we have another thing, is the stand here. Okay, so there's a stand here. Okay, fine. So let me check this stand here. Okay, this is a stand. So I want to verify whether there are 8 nibs that has been provided. So definitely yes, we have 8 nibs here. We have 8 nibs. Okay, so you can just see that there are 8 nibs here. So let's insert this back here. Okay, so this is the thing. So pen is ready, and you have your 8 nibs as per the product details. Now this is a holder, so let's keep it in this way. Okay, fine. So this will not move here, so this will be, your pen will be safe. Okay, now again the connector, the OTG connector here, the connection from the pen tablet, the connection from the pen tablet to the laptop or your PC. See, there's a connection here, there's a connection link here, and there's a port here, connecting port, USB connecting port. You'll be able to use this for connecting it with your laptop. Okay, so it's fabulous. Actually, I'm very thankful to Flipkart and the seller for giving it in such a discounted amount of 4,750. So we have some extra connectors here. So we have some extra connectors here, and that's it. So this is the unboxing what I have done of a Huion pen tablet Inspiroy H950p. Okay, H950p. So this is fabulous, and I have just received this in well within the time, even during the COVID time. So this is a very good delivery by the Flipkart. So I am very satisfied with the product. So I recommend you, so for those who have some budget restrictions of your budget, and if you are feeling that the Wacom also is a very good company, but there's some higher side price on the Wacom. I have not seen that Wacom. This is my first tab, and I'm a beginner, so I suggest that I feel like Huion has been doing it better, and the price also is well within the reach, and for the same size of this Huion tab, you need to pay around 6,800 or 6,600 for Wacom company. That would be costlier when you compare with this one. So I think this size is very comfortable. If you also bring the bigger size, then it would be little bit discomfort for you when you are keeping it on your working table. It would be very you can say very discomfort, and it may consume a lot of space sometimes if you have the restrictions of space. So guys, so I have just unboxed this. The product seems to be absolutely fine, and I'm very satisfied with the product. So in my next video, I will just show you how to download the driver from the internet, connect and install the pen tablet, and I will just show you the working of the tablet in my laptop. So till then, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.